Hello guys, so today I'm going to make a storage idea which is for storing our 8-inch collection pack. So I'm going to create a kind of a box or an envelope. So I will be using cardboard here, and this is the base, the size is here, and then we need 2 pieces of this size, 2 pieces, and then we will be gluing this on left and right. And then we have another pieces for the bottom. The size is here. Right. Once again, we will glue it on the bottom. So right now you will decide if you just leave it like this so that you can pick out the paper easily, or you will glue it here so that you will need to take the whole pack like this. I would prefer to glue it, so I'm going to add glue. And then we are going to add the lid, which is the size is here. We'll have a box here, and then we will be decorating the box. I'm going to use the collection I'm going to store, and then we'll come back. So I actually make 2 of these, and this look gorgeous. And because I assume you are going to put this like this in your shelf or drawer, so I think we shouldn't decorate in 3D or like dimensions, just like it like this, and you will be able to take this to crop party or something else. So when you store it like this in the shelf, it may be a little bit difficult to remember which collection it is. So I would suggest just cut a circle or with your punch or something, just to get an idea what this collection would be, and then just glue it on the side. Like this. so you have an idea what this collections is. So if you don't like, you can actually just cut the edges. Like this. So you will be able to see it is this collection. And then I especially make the box a little bit big, so you actually would be able to store in some more. For example, you buy 2 packs of this, so you will have the enough spaces to store inside, like the stamps or the journal cuts. So every collection is different, so it should be able to store them in one box, right? So I hope you like the collection storage idea this time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.